What is it, Coops?
Cake.
Yeah, it's cupcake, isn't it? Is it good?
Mmm. Is it good?
You like the sprinkles, don't you?
Cake.
Yeah. Do you want to take a bite? You should take a bite. I think he's just going to sit there and pick all the sprinkles off.
You gonna eat the cupcake?
Hi.
Hot? Or did you say hi?
He'll have fun at the party.
Hi.
Hi. Hey, Coops. Coops, you have a sprinkle on your chin. Yeah, that's Zer. Is Zer the one that's whining?
Cake. Cake.
That's Bo.
Bo? No.
When Mindy
He's a-
had his first birthday, you served dinner too, didn't you?
Mhm. We had food.
Mm-hmm.
That's Bo. Can you say
Now,
Bo?
what time of the day is Andrew's party?
1 to 3.